Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to transform my little Yaris into a proper race car. And to have a proper race car, or that it could be called a proper race car, you need one of these. Yeah, today we're gonna cut some holes into the Yaris. The reason are these. This one is the right side and the other one is the left side. These are vents for the rear bumper. The ones of you who already seen a Yaris from underneath maybe realized that despite having a diffuser, it doesn't really do anything. It's just a big parachute you drag behind the car, and I don't think that's really the best option to do. And when you just Google for some drag racers, for example the Ross Sport Evo, you can see most of them have cut their rear bumpers. The reason is because the rear bumper acts like a parachute you drag behind the car, and therefore it generates a lot of drag, which isn't necessarily what you want in any car that should go fast. That's why I decided to cut some holes. And since a few weeks or month, I don't know, a few weeks, I think these are street legal in Switzerland, so I'm gonna do it. Some might think it's to vent the rear arches, the rear wheel arches. That's not the case. You would have to drill or make some holes into the rear wheel arches as well. The inner side, I can show you. These are the rear arches. As you can see, they are closed, so no real benefit for that. So the air from the wheel arch has to go out this way, or it can go behind here, but it doesn't vent the rear arches. But when you take a look underneath the bumper, as you can see down here, this part right here, if the air can't go out like here, it just gets trapped behind the rear bumper, and as you can see, this will add a lot of drag. And so if you cut some holes up here, you might be able to reduce that a little bit. Maybe it would be better to reduce it just here in the middle, because that's where most of the air will be. But I think even these here will add a little benefit. It won't make the car go 10 seconds, 100 to 200, but it may help to reduce drag a little bit, and if not, they're just looking very cool. I already installed the first one, or I'm just ready to start cutting. And yeah, what better way to spend a Saturday afternoon than cutting holes in your brand new, or not brand new, but in your new car. So I have no idea how much a rear bumper cost. Hopefully I'm not planning to find out, so hopefully everything went well. Let's go. This is how it looks. Let's take a quick look inside. As you can see, this one here, that's from the rear wheel arch, and up here, that's this one, that's the chassis, so that's pretty solid, so nothing to gain up here. But if you would have it perfectly, you could cut out these as well, so you could have free airflow through the wheel arch all the way to the back. I don't know if that's something I'm gonna make, but for now it looks like it would work, because all the air that would be trapped under here behind the bumper, has now a place to go. Yeah, maybe that works, I don't know. But at least it will look nice. So now let's install it. They are just made, or they're just installed with double-sided tape, so that should be pretty quick. Just remove the stickers, just clean everything and then put it on, and yeah, I think that's it. So let's install them. And this is how they look installed. Pretty nice. I really like the look of it. Down here it doesn't attach very nicely. I will take my double-sided tape from 3M. They are pretty good, but other than that, they fit very nice. And I think they will look, or I think they look pretty nice. So it's a pretty simple installation. For these you will need maybe an hour or so to install them. I don't know if it's because of the double-sided tape or whatnot, I don't know, but we're gonna fix that one. Just the problem is my double-sided tape right now is not at my shop, it's at the shop of Thomas, and he's not here at the moment, so I will have to wait for a couple of days before I can fix that. But not so bad. Everything else is done and it looks pretty nicely. So let me know what you think about these, and if they have any actual function, or are they just for optics. I don't know. We're gonna see. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good week. See you next time. Goodbye.